Hello, so today I'm just going to show a quick little bit of footage about some soap dough I made with the natural colors that I infused a few videos back. I'll link that video in my description box. I had bought some annatto, some madder root, and alkanet from Brambleberry, and I infused it in some olive oil. And so this set of 4 that I'm taking out right now are all the annatto. I'm putting them in sandwich bags, and then I always reuse like plastic takeout containers or any like deli meat containers or anything that has a good snapping lid like that food came in. You can wash and reuse, and they work perfectly for this, especially rectangular ones. And so on to this set. The first one is annatto again. That is calamine. That is red clay, cocoa powder, and then the last 2 are madder root. And the madder root ones, actually, I'm recording this voiceover a few weeks later. The madder root ones have completely changed colors. So it seems like once I take them out and expose them to air, they get redder and more vibrant. So again, I'm just wrapping these up. You want to make sure that you have them airtight and then snapped into a container while they're wrapped in plastic. That's how it keeps them at a nice consistency. I personally don't use a separate recipe when I make soap dough. I just use my regular recipe, which is coconut oil, olive oil, shea butter, and cocoa butter. And they turn out just right. So I think it kind of just depends on your recipe and whether it has any sticky oils like castor oil or whatnot. I will also link in the description below my previous soap dough videos so you can see exactly how I make them. But it's pretty easy. Just like I said, my regular recipe, and then I always kind of pour them into these rectangular molds because it makes like perfect little bricks. So I've already used some of these soap doughs, and soap's coming up soon, and I'll be using more of them through the rest of the summer and fall. And I will, of course, always let you know when it came from these actual soap doughs. I'll link this video back so you know that this came from there. So I hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for next week where I'm going to start showing you all of the stuff for July.